Have you ever seen those cars or trucks when they hit the horn actually starts to play music or musical tones? And perhaps I could install the same thing on my electric scooter? What do you think? Because why not? Why not? Why do cars get to have something that electric scooters don't? So I'm thinking of installing that. So this is the car horn that the electric scooter has. As you can see, this is what it looks like. To use the car horn, all you have to do is switch on the step down, and then you have the car horn. All right. So this is the car horn, right? And in order to play music, you need a relay box with all the programmed songs. And this right here is it. Look at this beautiful thing. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Take out the knob. Boom. This is what it looks like, as you can see. Made in Vietnam. All right. So it has 12 program songs on it. Okay, put that back too. All right, so basically I have added these connectors.
Okay, right now I'm just adding male and female connectors to the wiring because this will make it easier to install, and the car horns themselves already have these.
Right, just to make it easier to install. Right, these are the connectors. Right here. These right here, these are the connectors, as you can see. Okay. All right. And this is the wiring diagram. Okay. So we have the positive, negative right there. We have a blue wire that goes to the first car horn, and what's this? A gray wire that goes to the second car horn. So these colors are very similar, and you can confuse. This is actually not gray, right? Eventually I figured out it was gray, but at the time I actually thought this was red, as you can see. Anyway. Alright, so we need two car horns because it needs an alternating thing. We need a high car horn and a low car horn. So a high frequency and a low frequency car horn. Alright, so the second car horn I'm going to be using is this one right here. Okay, so I already added the connectors. Okay, so the first step is I need to disconnect the wires to this car horn right here, right? So these wires are going to act as our power. All right, so basically our power on this this box right here is the red and the black. Okay, so we go to the red and the black right here. The red and the black, these two wires, our two power, right? So I connect the power, right? Okay, so the black goes right there, and then the red goes right there. Okay, so the red is by itself, but the black, you add another wire to the black, right? Because the black is actually going to be connected to the car horn as well. So the black goes to the car horn, okay? As you can see, we tap in power from the black and it's going to be connected to the car horn. Just like that. And then this other wire from the black is going to be connected to the second car horn, just like this. Boom. Okay, now we have two wires left. We have the blue and we have the gray. Not the gray, we have the brown. All right, so the blue I will connect it to this car horn right here. Put it like that. Boom. And then the brown, I'll connect it to the second one. Boom. All right. And that's all the wiring. And let's see if it works. Okay, so let's see if it works. Power on. And we hit it. And then we try. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. Now all I have to do is just tidy up the wiring. Perfect. What do you think? Now I have a cool car horn. Okay, as you can see, it's finally finished. All the wiring and tidying up is done. Okay, this is, let me just switch off the lights. Okay, so this is the second car horn. So we have the first car horn right here, and then this is the second car horn. This is all the wiring right here, and then as you can see, this box right here is what makes all the magic happen. As you can see, this is what it looks like. It has so many tones. Alright, so let's give it a test, okay? Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. There's the horn. And then you can change it. Boom. Hit it. And then you change it again. Change it again. Let's see, change it. And then change it again. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope to see you in another video. See you later.